Hey guys, welcome back. On my last video, I told you about the role of influencers, the benefits of becoming a brand influencer, and the tools that you need to become a brand influencer, like what you need to brand yourself. This video, let's get straight to the point on the tips and tricks that you need to stay on top of your game as a brand influencer. Number one, know your audience. What motivates your audience? What do they like? What do they seek for? What do they want from you? What will make them want to hire you to do a job as a brand influencer? So know your audience and know the kind of thing that your customers would actually love to see or really like to see about you. Number two, always provide value. Always provide value. Never forget that. Whatever kind of brand influencer that you are, whether you're a social media brand influencer or you're just a brand influencer or you're an influencer, whatever you're doing, bring value to the table. Don't just bring haphazard jobs or don't just do whatever. Always remember to bring value. Whatever content that you're putting out, make sure that it's valuable content and it's something that people can relate to as well. Number three, integrate your brand into every aspect of your business. Whatever you're doing, even if it's your pictures, add your watermark. If it's your videos, add your logo as an intro. Integrate your brand into every aspect of your business. Make sure that whatever people see, people can see your brand. Whatever you're putting out there, people can see your brand. People can see the image or the logos and whatever that you've created. Integrate it. Put it everywhere, on your flyers, on your cards, your logo on your t-shirt, on everywhere. Like, let it be in people's faces. Like, don't care. Make sure that your brand is integrated into every aspect of the business that you're trying to create. Number four, be authentic, be honest, be real. I made it a point of duty that, you know what, in this 2018, from 2018, I'm going to be real with you guys, my followers. I'll take you more behind the scenes. I know I showed you guys behind the scenes before, like I used to do all of that, but this time around I want to take it down to like the real shit. When shit goes down bad, I want you guys to also know, because as much as I want when things are going great as well, I want you guys to know as well. So be honest, be authentic, be real. Don't fake it. Don't try to be like anyone. Not because influencer A is doing it means you have to do it. Be authentic with who you are and what you stand for. Number five, let your brand personality shine. If you love dancing, let it show. If you love laughing, let it show. I love laughing, but like, I don't know, sometimes, not when I'm trying to talk like business stuff and stuff, when I'm watching comedy shows. But if you love singing, let it show in your brand and let your brand personality show. Whatever you're doing, share your experiences, share behind the scenes like I said before, share content, let your personality, who you are, let it shine. Like, don't care if people find it strange or if people think that it's awkward or people think that, oh my God, this one looks crazy. What's this one doing? What does one think she's doing? Do it. Let your personality show in your own brand. Like, let it be about you and it's about you. And whatever you're trying to do with your community, like I said, when you have an engaged community and you're sharing stuff, try to make it less of I and more of you and make it more of we. So let your personality shine in a way that, you know, it's both of us that are enjoying this personality together. Number six, be your own brand's advocate. Nobody's going to come and preach your word. Nobody's going to preach your story. Nobody's going to tell your story. Nobody's going to shout your name. Nobody's going to scream, whatever. Be your own brand advocate. Wherever you go, make sure that your brand stands at the forehead and you can talk about your brand in confidence. Wherever you go, tell people who you do, what you do, who you are, what your brand is about. Hey, I'm a stylist. Let you know as well. So be your own brand advocate. Whatever idea that you have behind your brand or whatever vision that you have for your brand, make sure that you're the one who is screaming it and shouting, hey, this is my brand. So be your own brand advocate. Number seven, stay true to your brand. Stay true to what you've created from my last video, like I said, from the tools that you created, from your name to your logo to your message, your brand personality, your engaged community, your imagery, colors, and your fonts, all the tools I listed in the last video. Stay true to them. Make sure that whatever you do resonates with that brand. Don't try to be who you're not because you're trying to like do something else. Make sure that you're staying true to what you've created as your brand image. So if you say that you want your image to look this particular kind of way, stay true to it. Unless you decide to rebrand, because there's something like rebranding. Unless you decide to say, okay, you know what, it's time for me to rebrand. I think I want to change my name. I want to change my logo. I want to change my colors. Then you can now do those changes, but in the meantime, stay true to your brand. Number eight, be transparent. Tell people about your story. Be very honest about what it is that you are doing. Be very honest about it is. Explain yourself to your followers. Explain yourself to your fans. Give them the reasons why things are not going the way they're supposed to go. Share your content when you need to share your content. Number nine, remember the forces: content, consistency, charisma, and credibility. Forces. Those four things are very important. Again, content, consistency, credibility, and charisma. I already talked about content earlier on. Consistency, I talked about consistency already. You have to be consistent. To build an engaged community, you have to have a consistent effort on giving them the right content and all of that. Credibility. By credibility, I mean like you have to make sure that whatever you're giving to your audience is a credible, like from a credible source. The fourth C is charisma. Carry yourself right. The way you carry yourself is how you're going to be addressed. I'm sure you've heard that severally. Charisma is everything. If you want people to address you as a brand influencer, make sure that you walk into a place looking like a brand influencer. See, what's clear on social media is not going anywhere, and it's going to be a big part of our digital space for a very long time. In short, it's even getting bigger and bigger. So if you want to become someone relevant on online or social media platforms, or become a brand influencer, that you want brands to use you as an influencer to market or during their marketing campaigns, you need to actually stay true to all of these things I mentioned. The best time to start building a social media or being an influencer was 10 years ago. The second best time is now. That's what I'm saying. Please guys, subscribe, leave a thumbs up if you love this video, and if you want to see more of it, leave a comment below and let me know the kind of topics that you have in mind and you want me to talk about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this 2-part series. Till next time, rise, pray, grind, and shine.